Most people using ChatGPT for writing are basically renting a mediocrity machine. You type "write a blog post" and get back the most soul-crushingly generic paragraph ever created. Here's the thing, ChatGPT is powerful for writing. The problem? Most prompts are so basic, like walking into a restaurant and saying, "Hey, make me food." In this video, let's explore 6 ChatGPT prompts that can elevate your writing. And if you don't want to stop at prompts, if you want something that handles your entire writing workflow, stick around, because we're about to show you ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workplace. The first category is blog writing. You can try something like write a blog outline on time management strategies for freelancers. Include 5 sections, each with a real-life example, and end with a simple weekly plan. See what happened there? ChatGPT has a who, a what, and a deliverable. So you're not asking for content. You're commissioning an article. The next prompt is for technical documentation. For this, you can try write a step-by-step guide to set up time tracking for a remote team, including common mistakes, how to fix them, and a final checklist. This provides comprehensive documentation that prevents confusion, not just a block of text that describes a process. Third is marketing copy. This is where weak prompts really fail. You can try write 5 CTA options for a new feature launch. Audience, busy marketing managers. Tone, confident, not hypey. Focus on the outcome. Fewer manual reports. This helps you control tone, target, and value prop, so ChatGPT can't wander off into generic land. The fourth one is email writing. For this, you can try write a webinar follow-up email. 1. Quick recap. 2. 1 key takeaway. 3. Invite them to try the feature. 4. Include a soft incentive. Keep it warm. No corporate fluff. With a prompt like this, you're giving ChatGPT a proper structure to come up with a result that is a well-drafted professional email. Fifth is a prompt for social posts. For social media, you need to specify 3 things: your topic, the platform, and the format. Otherwise, you'll just get motivational fluff with emojis. Try something like write a LinkedIn post as a mini case study. Problem, what changed, measurable result, lesson. Topic, remote collaboration getting messy. Because social media platforms reward clarity and proof, not meaningless and plain essays. The last category is coding and technical writing. The trick here is not just to ask for code, but to ask for code plus an explanation for it. Use write a Python script that auto-generates weekly status reports and explain how to customize the inputs. That explanation part, that's what saves you hours. Even with great prompts, ChatGPT still has its limitations as a writing tool. It can get details wrong, sound generic if your prompts are vague, and has no clue what's happening in your projects, because neither does it live inside your work, nor does it know your whole work ecosystem. ClickUp solves this. It's the world's first converged AI workspace that brings together all your files, prompts, feedback, and approvals in one place. Start with ClickUp Docs, where you can draft outlines, write, and organize your content. You can use headings, tables, banners, code blocks, and more to format your writing. Everything is structured with pages and subpages, and your team can collaborate in real time. And with ClickUp's AI writing assistant available directly in Docs, you can instantly generate, rewrite, or expand any piece of content. Just highlight your text and let the AI improve your writing, fix grammar, simplify language, or even generate action items from your drafts. Once done, you can seamlessly connect these docs directly into your tasks and workflows without switching tabs. If you want to brainstorm newer ideas, try ClickUp Brain, ClickUp's inbuilt AI assistant. It's designed to help you ideate, write, and summarize your content pieces in seconds. But what really sets ClickUp apart is BrainMax, your advanced AI writing partner. With BrainMax, you're not limited to just one AI model. You can choose from leading LLMs like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini, giving you the flexibility to match the right engine to your writing needs. Need to draft an email, create a detailed case study, write a technical document, or craft a catchy social media post? BrainMax can handle it all, adapting its style and depth for any type of content. And when you need to go beyond writing, BrainMax's research capabilities let you pull in real-time data, summarize articles, or generate insights from across the web, so your content is always accurate, relevant, and up to date. With BrainMax, you're not just writing, you're creating smarter, faster, and with more control than ever before. With ClickUp, every step of your writing workflow, from ideation and drafting to editing, translating, and organizing, is powered by AI, all in one place. Try it yourself today at clickup.com.